Hey everyone, another pro tip from Greece, how to pack. We just bring carry-on luggage with us. We don't take anything that's going to get checked in, any big bags, because it's just going to be that much of a pain in the butt to get it around town. Not only that, but each one of these bags was only half full when we left, and we do that on purpose because we know that somebody's going to be buying an awful lot of loot that needs to be brought back home. In any case, this is the way to go if you can. Just pack light. You know what? Pick an Airbnb if you can, or someplace that offers laundry services. And that's just going to make life so much easier for you. Just pack light. Big pro tip. Have a good one. Bye.